once again standing in this fabulous building, this historical building, and Morrison pulls out another job that's so unique that it's hard to explain. Why don't you tell everyone about this?
Well, the German Society is a very unique building in the middle of downtown Philadelphia. They do own their own small parking area, which came into play in the project. We were referred to them through Bosch, whose equipment we install on a regular basis. And basically, we're asked to take a look at the project and retrofit to their existing structure, equipment. Obviously, everything here is pristine. You don't want to have any interior or exterior damage. And we were able to make it work.
Well, the interesting part about this building is it was built in the 1800s, I believe.
Yes.
And it would have never happened had we not had the president of this organization be smart enough to say, yes, we can do geothermal technology, and contact Morrison Morrison Geothermal to do that. This building, and I would say to anyone that thinks geothermal can't be put anywhere, if you can do it in this building, which is historic, which is sitting at 7th and Spring Garden and has a parking lot in the back, and we have 80 tons of geothermal technology here, cooling this magnificent building. And once again, the fact is that if you want to do this anywhere, and Morrison is a prime example, that as long as you've got people that know what they're doing, you've got customers that are willing to understand what this is, this building takes your breath away. And what's interesting is you don't see it, you don't hear it, but you feel it.
Right.
And I can't imagine how much of a design issue this was, but it's spectacular.
Well, it did have its challenges, but as we've talked about before, every project is unique and definitely not cookie cutter, which is a mistake that some people make. You need to look at what the client's needs are, what's available, what do they currently have, and what makes the most sense.
And that's a key issue, and also being able to explain to the people involved how this works and what it was. You were lucky here that Tony Michaels, the president here, knew about geothermal and refused to take the advice of their first architect and went out and contacted, I think, Tony, you said you contacted Germany first, right? And then they gave them your name. And so it went international to get back to Morrison. And thank God it did, because you did a spectacular job here.
And it's been great working with Tony. Him and Mike, our design engineer, have worked together on every phase and have even come up with some things in the process of doing the project that have even made the end install even better, I think. And I think that's one of the advantages that we have as both a drilling company and a mechanical, is that we can adjust both inside and outside depending whatever needs done without involving another contractor. Yes.
And it all fits. And once again, anyone going through Philadelphia, look to if you're going down Spring Garden Street, going toward 6th Street or 7th Street, look to your right. You'll not only see this gorgeous building, this historical building, but you also see a piece of the Berlin Wall that I didn't know was here. Once again, I'm surprised and elated that you've done this job. And I want to tell the rest of our industry, those people that are naysayers about how you can't do this in either an urban setting, historical building, or any other excuse you want, that this is living proof that it can be done and done right.
I agree. And I mean, it's an honor for our company to be part of a project like this, to be a part of history, to stand within a part of history, and in a way, in a weird way, take care of a part of our heritage here in Philadelphia.